If you want to build the ultimate gaming PC under $1200, then this video is for you. In this video, I will show you how you can build the best gaming PC with RTX 3070 Ti under $1200. Let's get started. So for the processor, I've chosen the AMD Ryzen 5 5600. This one costs around $159. It comes with 4.4 GHz boost clock speed, which is more than enough to handle any modern graphics card. Then for the motherboard, I've chosen the MSI B550A Pro. This one costs around $139. Now with that price, you are going to get an excellent motherboard. As you can see, you will get 4 RAM slot, PCIe Zen for NVMe SSD support, decent amount of heatsink over the VRM section, and overall in this price it's an excellent deal. Now comes the main interesting components of this build, the graphics card. Here we are using an Asus TUF Gaming RTX 3070 Ti. This one costs around $649. Now can you imagine, in a $1200 gaming PC you are getting an RTX 3070 Ti, which is an 8GB graphics card, and with this graphics card you can basically play any modern games at 4K resolution. Also you can play games at 1440p resolution with high to ultra settings with more than 60+ FPS constantly. Then for the RAM, I've chosen the Team Group T-Force Delta RGB 16GB. This one costs around $59. Those RAMs comes with those black heatsink which will prevent those RAMs from getting overheated. Then for the SSD, I've chosen the Crucial P3 Plus 500GB. This one costs around $39. Now for only under $40, you're going to get a PCIe Zen for SSD, where you will get 5000+ Mbps read-write speed, which is excellent for an SSD in this price. Then for the power supply, I've chosen the Corsair RM850E. This one costs around $114. Now it's a fully modular power supply, comes with an 80+ gold certification, and also it has 10-year plus warranty, which is excellent in this price. And finally for the casing, we are choosing the Vetro M03. This one costs around $69. It comes with a mesh front and ARGB fan in the back, but keep that in mind, casing is completely up to you, buy whichever you like, and all those components will cost you around $1234. Thanks for watching.